आपलो परमित्र अदानीक वाटोवपा खातीर मोदी लोकशायेचो खून करता अशें मत काँग्रेसीचे राष्ट्रीय म्हणयारी दोतोर शमाश मोहम्मदान उक्तायलां. राहुल गांधीचेर जायते आरोप जायत आसात, मात आमी ओगी रावचे नात. आमी ह्या विशयाचेर आवाज उठयत रावतले आनी मोदीक प्रश्न करीत रावतले अशें तिणें ह्या वेळार म्हणलें.
PM Modi, as we all know, is willing to destroy democracy to protect his Param mitra adani. Rahul Gandhi ji has been targeted because of this. But let me tell you, we will do everything. The Congress party, Rahul ji, will do everything to save democracy in this country. Now, as you all know, the disqualification of Rahul Gandhi ji from Parliament is completely undemocratic. And I will tell you why. First and foremost, the case is on a very, very flimsy base. Let us take from the beginning when the case started. Now the case, what is it? Why do we have this case? On April 13, 2019, Rahul Gandhi ji made a speech in Kolar, Karnataka. It was a generic speech and it was mainly against the price rise in this country, the unemployment. These were his main points. And in that speech, he spoke against Lalit Modi and Nirav Modi, who have left this country, as you all know, abroad, and made a generic comment. Now, what we see after that, on April 16, 2019, BJP MLA and former Minister Purnesh Modi files a defamation case in Surat, Gujarat. Now, what we need to understand about criminal defamation. Criminal defamation is something where the complainant, whoever is complaining, for example, Purnesh Modi, has to have a reference to him directly. There has to be a reference by Rahul Gandhi ji saying Purnesh Modi or some. There was no such reference. It was a very generic thing. It was not specific to Mr. Purnesh Modi.